There is no time in the equation. The first time I heard that, something in my chest dropped. The other day I dug out a photo from 10 years ago, and in that instant, time suddenly had weight. See, time is the one thing we never think to doubt. It is really, truly moving forward. But when scientists tried to write the whole universe as a single equation, as they wrote it, the word time simply vanished on its own. Jingxi, last time you dropped that line, "There's no time in the equation," and just walked off, I've been turning it over all night. What on earth does it mean?
So it stuck with you. Let me put it this way. Remember how Einstein fused time and space into one? After that, physicists got an even bigger idea. Could a single equation hold the entire universe?
One equation holding the whole universe? That's awfully gritty.
But back in the 1960s, two people actually wrote it, John Wheeler and Bryce-DeWitt. The equation came to be called the Wheeler-DeWitt equation, and the moment it appeared, everyone froze.
Froze? Why?
The equation looks like this. Don't worry, you don't need to follow it. Just know that psi on the right stands for the state of the whole universe. The cluster on the left is its total energy. Ordinary equations always drag a little tail that spells out how things change with time. But in this one, that tail is gone. On the right of the equal sign, clean and bare, just one thing, 0. Which means the state of the universe doesn't change with any time at all. Time, just like that, evaporated out of the most fundamental equation. Physicists gave this an awkward name, frozen. Think of it this way. We always feel time is a river, rushing forward, carrying us from past to future. But the universe in this equation is more like one whole reel of film already shot, every frame just sitting there, still. No single frame is the now being projected. Past and future lie spread out, together.
Hold on, so me, sitting here talking to you right now, is this now fake?
Don't panic. Let me be honest, this is not settled physics. Just the opposite. It's one of the most cutting-edge and most disputed puzzles in quantum gravity. To this day, no experiment can confirm it.
Then why scare me like that?
Because it drops a deeply intriguing hint. Maybe time isn't the universe's built-in backdrop, not some ticking clock hanging outside it. Maybe it grows, little by little, out of us, out of the fact that we remember the past, but not the future. The physicist Rovelli put it more bluntly. To truly understand the universe, we may first have to forget time completely.
But Jingxi, the wrinkles on my mom's face are real? Those meals we shared are real? Is none of that in the equation?
Not in the equation, but they're in you, and that makes them real enough. If you truly believe time is one reel of film already shot, then every frame of you with her is there, forever. Send this to the person you'd most want to freeze a frame with.
Oh, one more thing. With just an equation sitting there, has no one actually put it to the test?
Someone actually did. Just this June, in 2026, a physicist in Britain used more than 20,000 ultra-cold atoms to build a pinhead-sized mini-universe. He watched no clock at all, only one thing, entropy, and time started to flow inside it, all on its own.
What? Entropy again. No clock, just entropy, and you can read time right out of it. Okay, I have to hear this one.
That one same time tomorrow, right on the dot.